Hey, welcome to the Introduction to Photoshop section. I want to tell you a little bit about what you're going to learn coming up. We're going to look at the environment, the Photoshop environment, all the tools and options and menus available to you. Also, please note that you don't need to have an expert level 100% knowledge of Photoshop to be successful, to make a career, to make a go of it, to design websites, because I don't know everything about Photoshop. I don't know 100%, I maybe don't even know 50% of what's available in Photoshop. But with the probably 20% of what I know, I can get 80% of my results. And I've never really had an issue knowing not everything about Photoshop. In fact, if you can master about 20% of what's available to you in Photoshop, you could probably get most of what you need done as a web designer, a professional web designer at that. Another thing, there's going to be a few files that you're going to need to download throughout the next few lectures, and I will provide them in those lectures, but also they'll all be bundled in this section, this lecture right here. You can go ahead in the extras, downloads, resources section of this video and download the course files so that you can use them in the Photoshop section. And just for fun, throughout this section, we're also going to create some web graphics so you can get your hands dirty. And in fact, we're going to design and create our first business card in Photoshop.